Hey there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of jump rope. Jump rope is one of the most underrated fitness tools out there. It can be even more effective than other forms of cardio. You want to shed pounds, boost endurance, or pack on muscle? Jump rope can help you achieve almost any fitness goal. Keep watching because we're getting into the nitty-gritty of what jumping rope every day can do for your body. Jump rope is a beast for weight loss. It's a high-intensity cardio workout that torches calories like crazy. You'd have to run an 8-minute mile to burn the same amount of calories as you would skipping rope. We've all been there, man. You're in the zone, jumping rope like a boss, and bam! The rope trips you up. Commit to jumping rope every day and your coordination will go through the roof. Better coordination spills over into everything you do. Walking, driving, you name it. Jumping rope might seem simple, but the long-term benefits for your legs are off the charts. Regular rope skipping seriously beefs up your leg strength and can make you faster at sprinting. You're hitting all the major leg muscles: calves, quads, hamstrings, glutes. Stick to a daily jump rope routine and those muscles will thank you. We all know how important bone health is, especially as we get older. Skipping rope every day can actually strengthen your bones. Every time you land from a jump, it puts a bit of stress on your bones. This stress tells your body to adapt and build denser, stronger bones. This is huge for preventing fractures and lowering your risk of osteoporosis. Jumping rope is no walk in the park. It's a high-intensity workout that builds cardiovascular endurance. It also increases your muscular endurance, letting you power through repetitive exercises. Stick with it, and your endurance will skyrocket. Jumping rope is a full-body workout in disguise. It engages many different muscle groups, toning your entire physique. We're talking arms, abs, lower body, the whole package. Jumping rope can support muscle growth and function, giving you that toned look you're after. Jumping rope whips your heart rate into shape. Studies show it can reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases like hypertension and diabetes. It can help you shed extra pounds and lower your risk of obesity-related health problems. It's like giving your heart a big, warm hug. Most people neglect their grip strength. Jumping rope forces you to maintain a constant grip on the handles, strengthening your hands. You'll be crushing handshakes and opening pickle jars like it's nothing. When you're jumping rope, your feet are doing a lot of work. This strengthens your feet, ankles, and knees, making them less prone to injuries. Jumping rope activates and strengthens tendons and ligaments, making them more resilient. It's like injury-proofing your body. You can't make your lungs bigger, but you can increase your lung capacity. Jumping rope pushes your lungs to work harder, leading to improved oxygen intake. Your endurance will skyrocket, and you'll find it easier to breathe during exercise and in everyday life. Regular physical activity does wonders for your mental health. A quick 15-minute jump rope session can melt away stress and combat depression. Frequent exercise, including jumping rope, may lower your risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Jumping rope is good for your brain too. So, are you a jump rope enthusiast already? Or has this video sparked your interest? Drop your thoughts, questions, and jump rope experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome health and fitness content. Click on one of the 2 videos lined up next for more tips and tricks to help you crush your fitness goals.